El Madrid dispuesto a ponerse por delante del marcador. Y ahí está Vinicius. ¡Qué oportunidad acaba de tener con ese remate!
Dancing along the edge of the box. Oh, flick! Mbappe! There it is!
The most. Kylian Mbappe, 2-on-2, and it's not just any two for Real Madrid. Mbappe scores!
Into Mbappe. He's got such searing pace. And suddenly it was on a plate. It's another threatening move. Rodrigo, Kylian Mbappe! No mistake this time. No chance for Jasper Cillessen.
Vinicius Junior, no
Bellingham,
interest.
big chance there, and Mbappe! 1-1! His first ever Madrid derby goal! And Real Madrid are back in this.
Modric outside of the boot. It's Mbappe. He puts on the afterburners and scores from an acute angle. It's Kylian Mbappe.
Valverde looks into the centre, delivers into the centre, delivers a peach of a cross.
Elevado por encima incluso del hombro y por mucho que la intención, atención a lo que acaba de hacer Kylian Mbappé. Atención que de galopa le